I want to try something where I'm gonna act like a girl and you're gonna talk to me, okay?
Ew, do I have to?
Yes. Cause I'm Viola. Duke, nice to meet you.
Okay, that was creepy. You really just sounded like a girl just then.
I used to imitate my sister all the time. I got really good at it. Come on, get up. Come on. Ask me some questions, and if the chemistry's right, things will just start flowing.
Questions about what?
Anything. Ask me if I like cheese.
Okay. Do you like cheese?
Well, why, yes, I do. My favorite's Gouda.
Oh, I like Gouda too.
See?
See what?
We're flowing.
We're talking about cheese.
So what? Flow is flow.
What? What's that? What is that?
No!
It touched me! It touched me!
Sorry!
You don't ever do that girl voice again. Freak me out.